But this time also, elections will be coming tomorrow, day after. You sign a charter of economy with every party. Make us sit down with you. I am willing to sign. People's Party is willing to sign. The other parties will also, once I do, they will also. They'll be forced to. And that's what we want to do. To have a economic charter with all the political forces. Then I will rotary sign you. If I don't do it, you can go to court. And they will have to go to court with me if they don't do it. So we have to get everybody to agree and come into this fold. So I'm willing to come into this fold even with the cricketer. I told him, second day or third day in the parliament, we'll sign a charter of economy with us. I don't care what you do to us. It doesn't make a difference. You should sign a charter of economy. But the man had no idea. Half the people sitting there do not have any idea.